As someone from the valley, I love to drive my 6,000-pound SUV down the 118 freeway. But right here, I can't. This exit has been closed, and I can't use the freeway. This exit has Valley residents furious.
I'm furious. It's just not acceptable in 2022 to have this kind of gridlock.
It really has made a mess of things.
Come on, we can go to the moon. When you say you're going to shut down something for 6 months, that tells me no one's really working. Caltrans has done a terrible job. Please, you guys.
But what the H happened? Well, what if I told you this freeway exit was sinking? That's right. An underground drainage pipe began collapsing underneath the off-ramp. For a while, the State Department of Transportation, Caltrans, was like, yeah, this is fine, and continued allowing motorists to use this sketchy of sketchiest off-ramps. At a certain point, Caltrans just fenced off one of the lanes, allowing cars to continue adding pressure on this soil as it began to settle with all the water seeping through the pipe. However, Caltrans has a plan. The state has over $2.1 million allocated to dig 25 to 45 feet below the road and replace that old metal pipe with a brand spanking new, stronger, reinforced concrete pipe. But in getting the permits for this new pipe from the city of Los Angeles, it's taking forever. This off-ramp was closed way back April 21st of 2022, and here we are 8 months later with Reseda still closed. Honestly, I'll just have this one random guy explain it all.
It was an emergency situation from the offset, and that exit needed to be shut down immediately. Now, normally what would happen is the permitting issues and the ping-ponging back and forth between Caltrans and the city would happen behind the scenes. Those sorts of issues would get sorted out while the lane and the exit remained open. But in this unique situation, the exit needed to be closed first, and then the permitting needed to start.
Caltrans was projecting to have this project complete by the end of 2022. But here we are at the beginning of 2023, and heavy construction is just beginning. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was interesting and helped explain why this freeway exit was closed for so long. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share this video around. And I actually make a lot of transportation videos, so check this playlist out. And I'll see you all in the next one.
You haven't even checked with DOT to change the freaking lights? That's someone's job.
First of all, don't talk about the water. I'm sick of hearing about water because we don't have any water.
White Oak Avenue is supposed to be an off-ramp, and I still think it should be an off-ramp.